Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about the respiratory content. Okay. What is the respiratory content? Before this, as you know that during the process of respiration, different kinds of organic acids or organic compounds like glucose oxidize and oxygen is released, oxygen is used and CO2 is released. So the volume of CO2 molecules and the volume of oxygen molecules used in the respiration process called as respiratory content. In short, RQ. Okay, let's see. Respiratory content is equal to volume of CO2 molecules which is released in the respiration process and the volume of oxygen molecules which are used in the respiration. Okay. And RQ is measured with the help of Ganong respirometer. Ganong respirometer is the instrument for measurement of respiratory content for different substrate molecules in the respiration. Next point about the RQ. RQ is vary with the type of substrate. Okay. Type of substrate means like glucose, protein, fat molecules, organic acids are act as substrate in the respiration. So different kind of substrates are used in the respiration. Then RQ or respiratory content of different substrates are cannot become same. So it can be explained by following using substrates. First, respiratory content of carbohydrate. When carbohydrate is act like substrate molecules or carbohydrates act as substrate in the respiration, as you know that carbohydrate molecules are completely oxidized, then RQ of carbohydrate is equal 1. It means RQ of carbohydrates always 1, because in this molecule of CO2 which are released in the carbohydrate substrate respiration is equal to the volume of oxygen which are used in this process. C6H12O6 glucose substrate, it means carbohydrate, it is aerobic respiration, then 6 CO2 molecules, 6 H2O molecules and energy is released out. So in this process, the volume of oxygen molecules are equal to the released CO2 molecules. Let's see RQ of carbohydrate. According to formula, volume of CO2 upon the volume of O2 molecules. Now put the value of CO2 and oxygen molecule in this formula. 6 CO2 molecules upon 6 O2, then RQ is 1. Okay. Now respiratory content of fat molecule. In oily seeds, like mustard, groundnut, cottonseed, fat act as respiratory substrate during germination. Okay, during germination of oily seeds, carbohydrate cannot act as respiratory substrate, so in this stage fat act as respiratory substrate, and oxygen molecules during the germination of oily seeds are more are less compared to CO2 molecules. So, fat require more O2 for their oxidation. Let's see. To C55H98O6. It is the tripalmitine. Tripalmitine is the fat molecule bind with 145 oxygen molecule and release 102 CO2 molecules plus 98 water molecules. Okay. So according to RQ formula, CO2 molecules are 102 and oxygen molecules are 145 because in fat oxidation oxygen molecules are more utilized compared to CO2. So 102 CO2 molecules released in the fat oxidation and 145 O2 molecules are used. Then RQ of fat molecules is less than 1. Or RQ is less than 1. Okay. RQ of carbohydrate is 1 and RQ of fat is less than 1. Now respiratory content of protein. Protein act as substrate stage in the respiration when body face starving condition or prolonged fasting. It means in our body carbohydrate and fat molecules are completely utilized. It means no carbohydrates or no fat in the body. So protein molecules act as substrate molecules. Then human proteins utilized, and it is the adverse condition of respiration. So in protein oxygen molecules are more required for oxidation of proteins like fat. It means number of oxygen molecules are less compared to are more compared to CO2 molecules. Okay. So, archaeoprotein is less than 1. It means between 0.7 to 0.9. Okay. Now, archaea of organic acids. In some plants, organic acids act as substrate molecules. For example, oxalic acid, malic acid, citric acid, and succinic acid. So in organic acid oxidation, oxygen is more compared to CO2 molecules. Comparison to CO2 or carbon molecules. And archaea is always more than 1. Of organic acids. Let's see. Example first, archaea of oxalic acid. Archaea of oxalic acid obtained for 2 COOH plus 3 O2 4 CO2 plus H2O plus energy. Archaea of oxalic acid is equal to 4 CO2 molecules upon 1 oxygen molecules is equal 4. So RQ of oxalic acid is 4. It means more than 1. Now example second. RQ of malic acid. RQ of malic acid is 1.33. C4H5O6 plus 3O2 4CO2 plus H2O plus energy. So in this RQ of malic acid (4CO2 upon 3O2) is equal 1.33. Okay. Now third example of organic acid. Citric acid. RQ of citric acid is equal 1.33 and example fourth, RQ of is 1.41. Okay. So organic acid में भी succinic acid, malic acid and oxalic acid का RQ भी more than 1 तो होता है लेकिन different होता है. Now next, RQ of succulent plants. Fifth, succulent or xerophytic plants Fleshy plants like Opuntia. Carbohydrate act as substrate molecules, but in succulent plants, complete oxidation of carbohydrates does not take place. So some intermediate compounds are formed. Okay. C6H12O6 plus 3O2 and CO2 is not released, and malic acid C4H5O6 H2O and energy are formed. So in succulent plants, malic acid is formed as intermediate compounds and CO2 is not released, then ratio of CO2 and O2 is different and RQ is 0. RQ of succulent or opuntia, zero CO2 molecule because CO2 यहाँ पे रिलीज नहीं हुई and 3 O2. Then RQ is 0. Okay. During night time, नाइट टाइम में मैलिक एसिड का कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं हो सकता, बट डे टाइम में मैलिक एसिड ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है कम्प्लीटली. देन डे टाइम में सुकुलेंट प्लांट्स का आरक्यू आता है 1.33 एंड नाइट टाइम में आता है 0. ओके. Now RQ of anaerobic respiration. During anaerobic respiration, CO2 is released but oxygen is not used. Then RQ of anaerobic respiration is infinite. C6H12O6 in the absence of oxygen or anaerobic respiration, it means James enzyme की presence में C2H5OH ethyl alcohol 2CO2 and energy is formed. So RQ is 2 CO2 molecules upon 0 oxygen molecules is equal infinite. Okay student, now revise this topic. Respiratory content of carbohydrate is always 1 because in carbohydrate oxidation O2 and CO2 volume is equal, and RQ of fat is less than 1, it means 0.7. RQ protein is also less than 1, between 0.7 to 0.9, and RQ of organic acids are more than 1. For example, RQ of oxalic acid is 4, RQ of citric acid is 1.33, RQ of citric acid is also 1.33, and RQ of succinic acid is 1.41. And RQ of succulent plants is 0 during night time because night time complete oxidation of malic acid cannot take place, but during daytime RQ of succulent plant is 1.33, and RQ of anaerobic respiration is infinite due to absence of oxygen molecules. Okay, now respiratory content topic has been completed and it is the important topic of respiration chapter.